Sandy Davison here. I'm a design team member with Scrap Shotz, and I'm here with the September kit. Super excited to get some goodies in the mail from Scrap Shotz. The Scrapbook Kit Club takes a break over July and August because life is just crazy busy during those months. So there's a bit of a hiatus for us design team members and Scrapbook Kit subscribers. So it's always exciting when September rolls around and that kit comes in the mail again. So this is what I'm playing with for September. This is the basis of the kit is the Daydream collection, the newest one from Coco Daisy. It's absolutely gorgeous. And what I'm going to show you here is going to be similar to the kits that Kit Club members would get, and there's still lots of goodies still in the store. Mine and some of the other design team members is sometimes different, depending on, you know, kind of what the hope is we could play with and that kind of thing. So either way, walk you through this because it'll give you a really good idea of the fabulousness of this collection, and then you can decide if you're not already a Kit Club member if you'd like to sign up, and or if you'd like to just go on and get some add-ons if you are already a member, or just go on and shop on scrapshotz.com. So, and I'll have those links below. But yeah, so this is what I'm working with this month. So included in my kit was a number of the phrase stickers from the collection. So these come in a pack similar to this, and again, my kit looks a little bit different than some people's, and that's kind of fun. I get a little mix of everything the way that Sandy does it there at Scrap Shotz. So lots of good words here: beautiful, together, big, home, lovely, little, is for some sentences, and dream. So those will be great to play with, and they're a gray, kind of not a solid tone, a bit like they are stamped or that they were hand drawn. So that's really cool. They're not a bright black, they're a tone of gray there. So really like that. I also received this fun thing. Look at this. These sequins, there's some leaves in there, some flowers, all kinds of shapes in there. So those are going to be really fun to play with, and you can just see kind of how much hologram there is to most of them. And then as well, these little tiny flowers. So cute. Never played with anything like that before on a scrapbook page, so I'm kind of excited. Thinking I might cut them off the stems and put them in the sequins and kind of make it part of the mix, but we'll see. I always have these great intentions, and then things change. So that's what I'm thinking for that. I received 3 out of the 6 flare that come with the collection. So there is a 6-pack of this, and I got 3 in my kit. Love these, super cute. And they have some good dimension, but not too much dimension that you'd have to worry about, say, putting them in the traveler's notebook. It would be just fine. I also got these amazing, oh my gosh, I just want to play with these. They're so cute. They're like corduroy hearts. Again, same idea. They've got a bit of dimension, but not much at all. It's mostly adding texture. These would be fantastic in a traveler's notebook because they squish right down, but you wouldn't lose the texture. And again, these come as an 8, and I got 4 of them in my kit. So really excited to play with those. Can't go wrong with hearts. I got the full pack, which is 70 pieces of the die cuts or the ephemera. And I'm just gonna show you here on the back what's included in there. Lots of little rainbows, some great florals, happy days as a title, a couple of Polaroids, which I love, some phrase stickers, and then lots of little tiny little bits and pieces, which is absolutely what I love about Coco Daisy. They always give you these little tiny little bits that you need when you just need a little something here or something there. So really great to layer and cluster. And look at these little houses. Aren't those so cute? I cannot wait to do it. Definitely gonna have to do like a stay-at-home kind of layout with those guys. Good. I also received the accessory stickers. So you can see there's some big phrase stickers down there at the bottom. And then again, the same idea, some phrases, a couple of rainbows, some florals, a couple extra labels there. So really, really cute. And they are quite thick. So, they're not a thin sticker by any stretch of the imagination. They've kind of got a touch of almost cardstocky feel to them. So these are going to be really great. So good additional texture on the page. I also got the mini puffy alphas from the Let's Stay Home collection from Pink Fresh. So not part of the Daydream collection, but as you can see, it's got the pinks, the light greens, the oranges, the light blues, and the dark blue in there. So I think, like, look at how well that matches. My light's probably not great, but it's going to be fantastic. So that's a great alpha to go with this kit. And I love that it's kind of a block alpha, and it would look so good kind of nestled with this really scripty one to kind of give a bit of difference there in the font types used. Also not part of the actual Coco Daisy collection, but matches up like fantastically, is this Vicki Boutin Art for Everyone. This is one of her 12 by 12 vellum sheets, and these are all butterflies in multicolor. You can see the rainbow there, and you can see that they're gold foiled. So I'm just going to try and turn it there so you can see the shimmer off my studio lights. So very, very cool. I suspect I will be fussy cutting these because it is just screaming to be fussy cut, but stay tuned because I also like the shape of it. So we'll see what happens there, but I really, really like that. And it goes just fantastic. So with the papers I got this time around with the Daydream collection is this guy here, some florals. That is, speaking of screaming to be fussy cut, definitely that. And then the flip side is this fantastic polka dot, and you can see kind of the watermark features there. And this one is called Garden Variety. Very pretty. Also received these little raindrops here, or geotags maybe. And this is also from the Daydream Cocoa Daisy, and this one's called Sun Shower. And you can see that yellow stripe there. And again, it's kind of got that watermark distress look to it, but in a sort of pretty way, if that makes sense. Oh my gosh, love this rainbow. I cannot wait to use it. I want to just frame this with like a saying on it. Absolutely fantastic. And that's a great wood grain background. So it's a real wood grain, if you will. It kind of has that look, but distress. So I really, really like that. And this one's called Over the Rainbow, of course, and it's with the Cocoa Vanilla Daydream collection. Fantastic stripe, because you can never go wrong with a great stripe. Oh, this is fantastic. Oh, just love that. And the back side of this one is a pink, peach, yellow cream kind of watercolor there, and I think that color is going to come through really nicely on the video. So, and this one is called Stepping Stones, and again from the Daydream collection. This one is one of those fantastic wreaths that you see people use. I tend to fussy cut these out. I think I need to challenge myself to kind of use the wreath this time, because that is really, really pretty, and I love the white that it's sitting on. And then the back side is this really great floral. I'm not big on a busy floral like this. I would never use it as a full pattern paper. But when you are layering behind photos and you just need a pop of color, showing just that little bit of a pattern that is this busy looks so good. It just gives such good dimension. So I'm really excited about that as a layering. But I may challenge myself to use the wreath, because that's also absolutely gorgeous. So some cut aparts. Again, these are Daydream. Oh, sorry, that other one was called Daisy Days. I don't think I said that. This one here is a cut apart. Oh, look at the little churchy housey guy. I love it. So some labels, got some nice banner strips here, little pocket cards, and then the back side is this fantastic scallop, clouds, maybe even ocean. Love it. And this one is called Happy Place, which, yes, definitely love that. Super cute. So that one's going to be really fun. There's also this assorted rainbows. So I've seen some people using the kit already, and they've cut out these rainbows and really clustered them, which is super, super exciting. So I think these are going to be fun to cut apart as well, or use the whole thing. I always struggle to cut into things that are just pretty and cute. And then the back side is this great sort of a navy, charcoal navy, feathers and leaves. And this one is called Up in the Clouds. Then another piece here is again, Daydream is this great watercolor, the bit of distress and extra pieces here. Love that. That is definitely all the colors in the kit here on one sheet. Cocoa Vanilla does such a good job of doing that. And then here is a black and white polka dot. And the polka dots are not the same. They look like they've been kind of dotted with a pen, which gives it a really cool look. So I like that. And that one's called Sweet Serenity. And then last but not least of the pattern paper is this final one here from Daydream, and these are the matching moths and butterflies. So there's some stickers and there's some die cuts of these little guys as well. So that'd be fun to kind of create a big fussy cut cluster. And then the back is this one. Oh my gosh, this is called Olive Flutter. But I'm telling you, this paper is fantastic. Look at those little hearts and the watercolor detail. I just love it. So love that. So those are the pattern papers. And then included with the kit is also some cardstock, as always. So a couple of pieces of the straight up basil white, always good to have. A couple of pieces of the basil, this is called Sunbeam, because why wouldn't it be called that? So it's really going to draw out those oranges that are in this, the orange yellow that's in this collection. I think that's going to look really, really good. You can see that there, right? How great that is with that little heart there. And then there's also this another 2 pieces of basil, and this one's called Coastal. So you can see there that that's going to pull in some of these blue colors that are in the kit, and it's going to pull it in really nicely. So yeah, so that is what I get to work with this month. I'm really excited. Hopefully now that I've looked at this about 1,000,000 times, I'm willing to cut into the prettiness. I have to say I'm a little intimidated because it's all so cute, but I'll get there. So yeah, so that is me. That's the September kit I'm playing with. You'll start to see some of the designs that I make, as well as the other design team members on the Scrap Shotz Instagram and blog, as well as on my Instagram, Brandy Davison, and my blog that I have with my sisters in scrapbooking, if you will, called Scrap Storian. So be paying attention for that. There'll be lots of great goodies from the Scrap Shotz design team. And I'll put the links below, and in a bit of an apology, as I film this, you could hear my dog rooting around in the room. So she is a puppy, and she's slowly becoming a good video unboxing, video filming companion, but we're a little ways off still. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're having a wonderful September. See you soon.